Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today we are going to multiply 4-digit by 3-digit numbers using the box method. This is one of my favorite way to multiply because this strategy makes it, to me, easier. So let's do this problem. 9,734 times 427. The first thing you need to do is write both of these numbers in standard form. So how do we do that? So I'm going to get a pen and I'm going to write 9,734 in standard form. So 9,000, okay, I think I grabbed the wrong thing, maybe an eraser. So 9,000, 9,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 4. Standard form, 9,730 plus 4. Now I'm going to write 427 in standard form going down. So there's 400. 27. So I wrote 9,734 in standard form and 427 in standard form going down. Now, I have to multiply 400 times every number across the top. So I would have to say 400 times 9,000, 400 times 700, 400 times 30, 400 times 4. But when I get to 20, I have to multiply 20 times 9,000, 20 times 700, 20 times 30, 20 times 4. Then I have to do the 7. 7 times 9,000, 7 times 700, 7 times 30, and 7 times 4. When we get all of these partial products, we are going to add them all together. So this number has 4 digits, so we did 4. This one has 3, so we came down 3. Now, the only thing we need to do is multiply the first digit in each number and then count up the zeros, write the total zeros in that answer, and this will make it easier. So if I say, what is 9 times 4? 9 times 4 is what? 36. Count the zeros in the 9,000 and the 400. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need 5 zeros. I'll try to make them small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9,000 times 400 is 360,000. Wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3. Oops, got my comma in the wrong spot. I got to count backwards. Count off 3 backwards. So let me fix this. So I go 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. So there's 3 million. Wow. 600,000. Now we come here and do the 7 times the 4. 7 times 4 is 28. So you write your 28 and you count all the zeros in both numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count off backwards. So 400 times 700 is 280,000. Now we got to do 400 times 30. Only multiply the 2 digit in front. 3 times 4 is 12. So I write 12 and I count the zeros in both numbers. There's 1, 1, 2, there's 2. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 12,000. Then 4 times 4, 16. Count up zeros. 1, 2, there's 2. 1, 2. See, it gets better when I have a smaller number. Now I got to multiply 20 times 9,000, 20 times 700, 20 times 30. Remember, multiply the first digit in each of those numbers. 9 times 2 is 18. I count all the zeros in each number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to 20 times 700. 7 times 2 is 14. I write 14 and I count the zeros. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now 20 times 30, I go 3 times 2 is 6. Count up zeros. There's 1, 2. 1, 2. Now 20 times 4, I say 4 times 2 is 8. How many zeros? There's 1. Write that 1 0. Now 7 times everything across the top, just like we did here. Are we ready? Here we go. 9 times 7, 63. Oops, 3 don't look so good. Then count zeros. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now here we go. 7 times 700. 7 times 7 is 49. How many zeros do you see? Oops. There's only 0 in here. So there's 1, 2. So I write draw. 1, 2. Same again. 7 times 30. So we say 7 times 3 is 21. Write 21. There's your 0. You only have 1. And here we go. 4 times 7. It's 28. There's no zeros. Now what do? We take all of these partial products and we write them down and start with the greatest one. So you got 3, 6, 0. And I'm really not going to do all this adding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because the video is getting kind of long. 3. But I just want to show you this right here. So when I am writing, I start with the first partial product. And then I like to start, when I write the next one to add, I like to write backwards. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 zeros. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. This way it helps me to line up all the place values in the correct order. Then I have 8 and a 2. So I got 8 and 2. So that's how I wanted to show you. Always start doing it backwards so you can line everything up. Once you get it all lined up, you add them up and you will get the right answer. We will discuss any of your questions during the class, but I'm stopping here. We will finish in class because the video is getting kind of long. So I will see you guys in class and in the next video.